Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's great to be back filming. I know I only have one video on my channel and it was a first impressions video of a shampoo set by Milkshake, and today I wanted to come back and give you an update. As you can see, my hair has grown. It's longer, it's been 6 months, it's blonder, and I just wanted to come back and let you know if I'm still using the product, if I still like them, yeah, if anything's changed in my hair routine, and if I still feel the same basically, because the video got nearly 2,000 views so far, which has really blown me away. I didn't expect that at all, so I guess the demand is there for the product info, so I thought I'd come back and fill you in. So here goes. To remind you, these are the products. So I got the Silver Shine shampoo and the Silver Shine whipped cream, and together they make my hair look so shiny. Look how shiny it is. I washed my hair last night. I've not straightened, I've not curled, I've not styled my hair, and this is how it's come out. And honestly, I again, with the last video, I'll go out like this. It doesn't look messy, it doesn't look frizzy. I don't think it looks frizzy anyway. I mean, it's not perfect, it's just hair, you know, but it's the best result that I've had with the shampoo, and I still stand by that, and it's why I still use the products. In terms of how much product is left, I've only used half the bottle probably in 6 months, so even though I think they're around £16 a bottle, which I got the price wrong in my last video, it's so worth it because, you know, 6 months, £13 over 6 months, that's not much at all. And when sometimes when you buy like a cheaper shampoo, you have to use more of the product, so you're actually buying more of it, and then it works out less cost effective in the long run. So if you can afford to invest, definitely do. And this sign is great, especially for blondes. So okay, I have a confession. In my last video, I felt really embarrassed watching it back for ages because I don't know, I overanalyzed myself. My hair's quite brown, so it's not even that blonde, and I realised this shampoo is for more white blondes, lighter blondes, and I don't know how seriously you guys took my review, but I have to say that although my hair wasn't super blonde, it just had highlights and subtle natural highlights. The highlights never went brassy, and I think that's all you want from a purple shampoo, right? You don't want that yellow look, unless you do want that yellow look. So yeah, it definitely did the job, even with little bits of blonde in my hair, and it didn't affect my natural hair colour. So yeah, that was great. I think I've been using it every kind of 2 weeks, every week. I don't use it on every wash, and I don't wash my hair that often per week, so I don't need to use it loads. And with the whipped cream, I still feel exactly the same about it. It's lovely. I don't take this into the shower, this product. I leave it in my drawer in this room, and when I come in after kind of towel drying my hair, I'll apply it. So it comes out like a mousse, so it's a whipped cream, and that is the perfect description for the product. It even smells super sweet, not like whipped cream, but I don't know, I don't even know what the flavour is, but it's so good. And I just squirt it. As you can see here, it's all purple, so sometimes it does get like in between my fingers, so wash your hands afterwards unless you want a little purple stain. And then you just kind of rub it together and pop it through your hair like this afterwards, and then I do a little brush through, and then my hair comes out pretty lovely. It's shiny and soft, and my review is exactly the same as what I gave in my last video, so I am going to link it below. I just literally wanted to come on here to update you, to say that I'm still using it, because sometimes you wonder, you know, if someone puts out a video of something they've just bought, it's because they're super excited to try it and they've had a lovely first time, but then sometimes when you use stuff too much or you keep using it, you realise, is it actually that good? You know, was it just the hype of first getting it? I was super excited, but actually it is really good. And I don't know if you can tell, but my hair has grown quite a lot as well. I mean, it would naturally over 6 months, but I think because I've been using better products for my hair. I mean, I used to use really cheap shampoos and I feel like they weren't great for my hair. So yeah, I do really recommend still, definitely worth the price tag. And when I'm not using these products, I still use the OGX products that I mentioned in my last video too. So I use the white line, which I think is the coconut collection. And then another one that I'm going to be trying soon is the Swarovski Blonde Me All Blondes Light Shampoo. I've not tried this before, but I think it's more of like an in-between, so I'd use these together one day, and then on the next wash I'll try this. I'm going to try it, I guess, on my next wash next week, because today, no, it will be this week, it's only Tuesday. I don't know why it feels like a Thursday or a Friday. But yeah, I just want to get a matching conditioner or intensive treatment from Swarovski. I don't know about you, but I really like to use brands together just because I feel like they're formulated to be used together. So hopefully you get the best results rather than using, you know, I don't think I'd ever use like this shampoo with this conditioner. I just can't. But yeah, I think that's all really. I think that's all I have to say about them as a little catch up. Just that I still really recommend them even with lighter hair. Oh, something that I haven't covered actually that I did in my last video is for lighter blondes, because obviously my hair is a lot lighter. You can see it closer. I've got kind of more white blondes mixed in now. I was a bit worried when first buying this product because it's quite strong that my hair would go purpley or it would get a tint of blue or purple left in it. But it hasn't, even going lighter. So again, I can reconfirm that it's absolutely fine. I think I left it on for 2-3 minutes and it was fine. So you don't have to worry about that. But if you are worried and don't want to try it without a shampoo, if you've got white hair, like full over white, because I guess your hair might be more porous in certain areas where it might, I think that means it picks up from my Brad Mondo knowledge, that it kind of sticks to things more. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm not a hair expert. Then just dilute it with your normal shampoo. But that shouldn't be a problem anyway. But yeah, that's all. I do really recommend it. And yeah, let me know if you get it, or if you use any of their other line, like I said in my last video, or if you recommend any other products, any other purple shampoos, what's your go-to? Would love to know in the comments, so definitely drop that down below. And while you're down there, don't forget to subscribe. I would love to kind of build a little community of people who want to learn more, not just about products, because, you know, products are great and it's so nice to like indulge yourself in self-care, but I want to start using my channel to educate people a bit more, just so that they can become the best versions of themselves and go after their dreams. I just want to build like a community of dreamers, and people like me who are looking for like someone to just hang out with, I guess, virtually by watching my videos. Hopefully it kind of, yeah, I don't know how to explain, but yeah, I'm hoping to bring more content that will, well, basically I have my own business, so I want to kind of teach you things on how you can to kind of become a freelancer or self-employed and that kind of thing, just so that we can have more money, so that we can treat ourselves to a product like this. And I'm such a big believer in self-care, and I've treated myself more than anything on like self-care, and I've been having facials that I've never had before over the last year, and it's just made such a difference to like how I feel about myself. So sometimes I know that we can't afford it, because I was in the same boat for such a long time, and I just want to kind of show you guys how you can afford it too. So yeah, follow along on my journey if you're interested, but no worries if not. But yeah, I will talk to you all soon. Thank you for watching.